Hey nature lovers, here are 5 amazing facts about woodpeckers you probably didn't know. Did you know woodpeckers can peck up to 20 times per second? That's over 12,000 pecks a day. Their skulls act like shock absorbers, protecting their brains while they hammer away. They have super long tongues, sometimes twice the length of their beak, to catch insects hiding deep in trees. Woodpeckers are nature's architects. Their tree holes provide homes for other animals like owls and squirrels. With over 240 species, they come in all shapes, sizes, and stunning colors. Hit the like button if you learned something new and share this with your friends who love nature.